All of this, guys, I did not spend a dime. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? I did not spend a dime. So this should motivate somebody this evening. This should motivate somebody today to understand that you don't have to spend a bunch of money to do a garden. Number one, the first thing you want to understand, with Van, oh, did I miss your answer about the outdoor kitchen video? That bill was super cool. Oh, yeah, yeah, you see me cooking on it. I'm gonna do a video rebuilding one because when I was doing that one, VC Cooper, it was raining, so I really couldn't record it. But I'm gonna do a different one. But that outdoor kitchen worked like a charm. Yes. Okay. You see, guys. So what? This is what I'm saying, guys. Don't get distracted. There's a lot of distraction out there. You could catch yourself going out there and spend a bunch of money for no reason. And there's people who growing and not spending. You see where I'm coming from? Try to grow your garden natural. Try to use natural stuff in your garden. These pepper produce really, really well. You see what's going on here? They now start producing. What's there? They now start producing. These pepper now coming in now. They now producing. Look, another one here. And what I'm doing now, I start staking them. You see the type of stake I have? Look the type of stake. You're welcome, VC Cooper. You see the stake? Because these plants gonna grow up. So if you notice now, I already put up the stakes them. You see what happened? All these plants, look how tall these. From down there, come all the way up. Watch. Watch. This one is almost 5 feet tall. This one here. You see? So I have the stake going all the way up there. So guys, this is full proof that I'm showing you guys about this garden. This garden is natural. We also make our own compost. How do we make our own compost? We pull the weeds out of our garden and we throw them in a pile. And when we throw them in a pile and they break down, we bring it back. You see like this? This is a tree trunk that break down and it rotten down. So what we do? We bring it and we throw it back in our soil. So let me see. Holy moly, your garden has jumped big time. Yes, yes, yeah. That's why I go live. Let me see, big time. On my last week of weed cabbage liquid 40. Can't wait to use it. Yep, yep. You see, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Pure grow. You was what? Yes, you used that. You see, this is why I go live as well, because guys, I want you guys to see and understand what I'm saying. I don't want to just jump on the live and just talking a bunch of stuff with no proof. I don't want to sit down and Googling stuff and tell you guys. No, I want to show you guys. So you see what I'm saying? Here, you notice we do you notice here what Pure Grow now say? Because he does be in my life. Appreciate you for the support. Pure Grow, appreciate that. But Pure Grow does be in my life, and he sees when these plants were small. He also sees when I was adding cabbage leaf, mix with water, break down in water. He sees that too. In weeks, look at the garden, flourishing, everything green, everything growing marvelous. You see? You guys need to check out my channel. I'm telling you, if you really wanna be successful in growing a natural organic garden, you guys need to follow my channel. There's so much, almost 3,000 videos. There's so much videos, and every video is loaded with information. Every video is loaded with information about different type of plants. So, I thank you all for the support. I truly appreciate the support. You guys help motivate me to continue. So don't forget to hit the like button. I'll truly appreciate it. These type of message need to get out there, guys, for real. You make sense, complete sense. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. These information really don't go nowhere because you're not promoting anything. You're talking about natural stuff and you're trying to show people, listen me, if you have the space and you have the back, you could utilize it. You have your backyard. Use the soil in your backyard. Use the soil. When the leaf fall from the tree, mix them up in your soil. Let me show you what I used to do, right? What I used to do, right? You see like this log? I will dig out a trench. This is what I used to do in my garden. I will dig out a trench and I will bury it and cover it. So over the years, these things break down and break down and break down, and it just make your soil get better and better.